Hi everyone, this is Preston here again. This is some of my latch check that I'm doing right now. It's not complete yet, but I wanted to finally show you what progress that I'm doing with it. And so far that's what it looks like. I think it did a pretty good job so far. It looks really awesome. It's part of my latch check that I'm doing. But I got a long ways to go still. I thought I'd show everyone so far what I'm doing. It's really cool. Okay, this is the picture that I am doing the latch check from. What I'm following actually. It's a color-coded chart that shows me how to put the right color to the right squares. And so what you're seeing is just part of what I just almost completed. That's that part of that wolf. And then that's the completion of it. When I get the rest of this done, it'll be that part. And that's the whole complete latch check picture. The moon, the forest, and the trees, and then the two wolves. The face, and then the wolf howling. It's, I forgot the name of this wolf that I'm doing. I think there's the name of it somewhere. Somewhere here, I forgot the title of this one. I think it's a Temper Wolf Howling or something. That's the name of it. Anyway, so that's part of it right now. So I'll continue letting you know how the progress is going with it later on. All right, guys. Well, everyone have a good night, and I'll show you in my next video soon.